Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video is a weekend cleaning routine. I'm trying to stay in my routine to keep doing what I do when life is normal. How's everyone else holding up? We actually did a little project this week where we painted a whole bunch of rocks. If you stay till the end, I include the clip at the end. They came out really cute. The kids bailed on me pretty early on. I think they both did 2 rocks and I painted like 10 of them. So stay till the end and let me know what you think.
Emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. 'Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive.
When I do my cleaning on the weekends, I kind of just do a quick cleanup. I don't always move everything on my dressers and like on my entertainment center that's in my room. I just want to get it done as quick as possible because summer's coming. We want to go out and be out of the house and not cleaning all day. So I've been trying to stay on top of everything and just clean as I go. We do that most of the time. But as you see, I'm just kind of like dusting everything quickly and moving on.
Don't know how to act, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. I'm alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart.
When I do my weekend cleaning, I always do it on a Saturday. Saturday's like the end of the week for us since Nick works and he's off on Sundays, and when life is normal, he's off on Mondays, so that's like our weekend. So I always do it on Saturdays and get it over and done with so that we have nothing to do on Sunday but enjoy our day.
I used to be so
Nick was sweet. He was like, "Don't record me, Mom." And then he wanted to be recorded cleaning his room so he could show everyone. I think he does a pretty good job for being 12 years old and a boy.
take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, alive, feel alive with you.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters,
surprised going into the kids' bathroom today that their toilet paper roll was actually on the little toilet paper holder thing, and there was no towel on the floor. Shocking.
Time almost. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut.
One of the good things about keeping up with my house all week long is when I do my weekend cleaning routine, it takes maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours tops, including me doing the floors. I never mop on camera because I always forget and I feel like it would make my video too long. So if that's something you want to see, let me know in the comments. But I usually just leave it out, and I usually time lapse me vacuuming because I feel like that's boring too. But let me know if you like seeing that, because then I'll just leave it in like normally, just my normal like speed.
Yeah, I'm going all night, I don't need to stop. Yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. Cause I'm just an accident waiting.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gon' leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud.
Thank you so much for watching. Here's a little clip of the rocks that I was telling you about in the beginning of the video. I think they came out so good. I'm gonna get that clear coat spray paint stuff so that we can put them outside and they don't get ruined in our flower beds. Thank you so much for watching. Click that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.